Hello everyone. I am Kalyani Shashikant Soudhary, Faculty of Civil Engineering Department from Vishwabharati Academy's College of Engineering, Ahilyanagar. Today is the fifth lecture of survey subject for Unit 1, that is Compass and Leveling. In this lecture, we will study in detail about the plane table survey, and the contents of this lecture is the introduction of plane table survey, the instruments used in it, its advantages, its disadvantages, principles, temporary adjustment, and methods. First of all, we will study that what is plane table survey. Plane table surveying is the graphical method of surveying which is carried out to prepare maps and plans and also to collect the topographic details through field observations. This survey is carried out by using a plane table. Hence, it is named as plane table surveying. It is the fastest and easiest method of surveying. Here are the instruments used in plane table surveying. They are plane table board, drawing sheet and its clip, tripod stand, plumb bob, plumbing fork or U-frame, allied trough compass, spirit level, and ranging rod. This is the general arrangement of plane table survey. Here you can see all the instruments with the diagram. From this, we will understand each instrument one by one in detail. Here, the diagram of the instrument is given, and here in this column, its uses, its information is given. Okay. First of all, number one is plane table board. The plane table board looks like this. Okay, this is the front side of plane table and this is the back side of the plane table survey. Here is the arrangement to fix it to fix it on the tripod stand. Okay, plane table board. It is a drawing board made by well-seasoned wood and its top surface is perfectly leveled. To fix it on tripod stand, there is an arrangement on the bottom side of the table. The drawing sheet is fixed on this table with the help of clips. Now, the tripod stand. The tripod stand looks like this. It is used to support and level the plane table board. Leveling is done with the help of tripod stand legs. This is called tripod stand legs. There are 3 legs of tripod stand. The plane table is fixed like this on the tripod stand. Okay. Now the plumb bob. Plumb bob is look like this. It is used for centering purpose, means centering purpose. What is centering? Centering is nothing but to transfer the point which are on the sheets to the ground. Okay. This is called plumbing fork or U-frame. It is a hairpin shaped brass frame made of arms of equal length. It is used for centering purpose. With the help of plumb bob and U-frame, the centering is done like this. You can see the plumb bob is fixed on the U-frame, and with the help of both two instruments, the centering of plane table is done. A plumbing fork with a plumb bob is attached to one end is used for centering the plane table at a particular station. It is used to broad the point on the paper vertically over the station marked on the ground. Center point of plane table should coincide the point on the ground. Now, the plane elided. Okay, the elided look like this. It is used for horizontal sighting only. It is a wooden or brass ruler of about 50 to 60 centimeter in length. It consists of two vanes, that is, sight vane and object vane, that are hinged at their two ends. This is called telescopic elided. It is used horizontal as well as inclined sighting. It is used for large-scale plane table survey. It provides a quick, easy, and fairly accurate means of measurement of distances and heights with the help of a staff and thus plotting of the points on the plane table. Here is the trough compass. It is a rectangular box compass. It indicates north and south direction. This north is marked on the right top corner of the sheet. It is also used for orientation purpose. Now, the circular box compass. Circular box compass is nothing but the circular box which is fitted on a square base plate. It is used to indicate the north and south direction. This north is marked on right top corner of the sheet. Now, the spirit level or bubble level. It is used to indicate whether the surface is horizontal or not. A spirit level gets its name from the mineral spirit solution inside the levels. It is used to level the plane table. Now, the ranging rods. Ranging rods are used for making the position of stations and sighting of those stations. It is also used for ranging straight lines. Now, the advantages of plane table survey. Number one, suitable to prepare small scale maps. Number two, the field book is not necessary because the survey work and its plotting is done simultaneously. So, the possible error of the field book can be avoided. Number three, the surveyor can prepare the plotted work. The surveyor can compare the plotted work with the actual features of the area surveyed, so the chance of missing measurements are less. Number four, it is most suitable in magnetic area. Number five, it is simple, cheap, and does not require the skilled labors. Disadvantages of plane table survey. It cannot be used in rainy season and in wet climate. Number two, some of the instruments are large, heavy, so it is difficult to carry. Number three, it is less accurate. Number four, the plane table has to be centered and oriented at every station. Number five, The field book is not there, so replotted the survey work to a different scale is difficult. Now, the principle of plane table survey. The principle of plane table survey is parallelism. This means the rays drawn from station to the object on paper are parallel to the lines from station to objects on ground. Now, observe the figure and read the statement again so that you can understand that what is the principle of plane table exactly. Look at. Here is the ground. Here is the point A, which is on paper here. A point. Okay. These are two ranging rods. Okay. Now we are now the read the statement. The rays drawn from station to object on paper means the rays drawn from station to object on paper are parallel to the lines from station to objects on ground. Means this line and this line must be parallel or it is parallel. This is the principle of plane table surveying. Now, the temporary adjustment of plane table survey. Number 1, setting up the instrument, that is to fix it on tripod stand. Number 2, centering. With the help of U-fork with the plumb bob, we can do the centering. Now the leveling. With the help of tripod stand leg and the spirit level, we done the leveling. Orientation. Orientation is needed when there is more than one instrument station. Now, what is orientation? It is the process of keeping the plane table parallel to the position it occupied at first station. Means if there are so many instrument station, then on each and every instrument station, the plane table should be like this. It was at the first instrument station. Now, the methods of plane table survey. There are four methods of plane table survey. Number 1, radiation. Number 2, intersection. Number 3, traversing. And number 4, resection. Now, the radiation. In radiation method, traverse is completed from one station only. All the points are intervisible and accessible. In this method, the point is located on plan by drawing a ray from the plane table station to the point and plotting to distance with suitable scale along the ray. This method is suitable for the survey of small scale area. Now, observe this figure. From this figure, you can understand these points. Okay. Here, number point 1 is traverse is completed from one station only. Look at the figure. There are 5 points. Okay. Now we make this traverse, and this traverse we make from one instrument station only. Here, look at the second figure. P is the instrument station. This P point is on ground and this P point is on paper. From this P point, that is the instrument station, we completed this traverse. Okay. Now Here we will see the detailed procedure of radiation method. Number 1, select a point from that all the stations are visible. Number 2, set up the instrument on that point, do centering and leveling. Number 3, draw the north direction in the top right corner of the sheet with the help of compass. Number 4, with the help of alided, bisect all the points and draw the rays on sheet one by one. Number 5, measure the distance and plot it on paper with suitable scale. This is the short and simple procedure of radiation method. Now, the intersection method. It is used to locate inaccessible points. To locate these, at least two rays are drawn from two different stations. Number 3, the line joining these stations is called baseline. These are some important points of intersection method. Okay, this is the diagram of intersection method. There are, now read this point. This is used to locate inaccessible points. Means point A and point B are inaccessible, means it is difficult to measure the distance of these from instrument station is not possible or difficult to possible. Okay, so that the intersection method is used. Now here, to locate these, at least two rays are drawn from two different stations. In radiation method, only one instrument station is required. For intersection method, two different stations are required. That is, this is O1 is the first instrument station and O2 is the second instrument station. Okay. Now, we will see the procedure of intersection method. Listen carefully. Number 1, select two station points. From that, all the points to be plotted are visible. Number 2, set up the plane table at first station, do centering and leveling, and mark north direction with the help of compass. Number 3, from first station, bisect all the points to be plotted. Also, the second instrument station and draw the rays. Okay. Number 4, measure the distance on the ground from first instrument station to second and plot it in suitable scale on paper. Number 5, after this setup, the plane table, after this, set up the plane table on second instrument station, do centering and leveling there. Okay. From there, do orientation for first instrument station. Number 7, from second station, bisect all the points to be plotted and draw rays. Number 8, the intersection of these rays with the corresponding rays drawn from first station determine the position of all the points to be plotted on the sheet. This is the simple and short procedure of intersection method. If you don't understand this, first of all, read these 3 points, which are the importance of intersection method. Okay, then observe this diagram. Then read the procedure again carefully and understand how the procedure is work. Okay. Now the traversing. This method is similar to compass traversing. Check line, check the accuracy of the traverse. When from one station all the details of the traverse can't be located, then the traversing method is used. Number 4, Radiation and intersection methods are used in traversing. Okay, now understand why there is a need for traversing method if already two methods are there. First of all, understand this radiation method. Radiation method is what? Here in radiation method, there is a limitation that is from one instrument station only we have to complete the traverse. Okay, but and the distance from the distance we can measure directly. This is the use of radiation method. Okay, but here intersection method is there. Why we use the intersection method? Just because the points are inaccessible. Means here we can measure the distance directly. But if what if we cannot measure the distance directly? Then there is a need to use the intersection method. Okay, these two methods are there, but the need of traversing is to need for because from one station all the details of the object we can't locate it, then the traversing method is used. Here understand. Okay, if there is a one building or big area that we have to locate and it is in center of this. Okay, so from this instrument station we can see only this part of that object. Okay, but what about these points? We cannot locate the or we cannot fix the position of these sides of the object. So we have to shift the instrument from this to this to this to this to this so that the all the details of the object we can locate. Okay, this is the diagram of traversing method. Okay, and here in center the object is there. Okay, now it is not possible to draw all the details over here because for traversing the object should be in 3D so that all the points you can see easily. So you have I can't draw it here. So you have to imagine all these things. Okay, now understand the procedure of it. Okay, traversing procedure. Number one, first select the traverse station. From all the details of the object, we can plot. Suppose there are 5 instrument station. Okay, set up the instrument on first station, do centering and leveling, and also mark north direction. Number three, bisect all the objects and second station, draw rays and plot it on paper with suitable scale. Number four, set up the instrument on second station. Orientation is done for first station. Then bisect all the points of the object and the third station. Draw rays and plot it on paper with suitable scale. Number five, set up the instrument on third station. Orientation is done for second station. Then bisect all the points of the object and the fourth station, draw rays and plot it on paper with suitable scale. Repeat the procedure till the traverse is complete. This is also the simple and short procedure of traversing. Here, read this procedure again, pause the video, read this procedure again and try to understand what is the actual need of traversing method in plane table survey if there are already two methods. Okay, now here this is the diagram of traversing method. Here you have to imagine that there is a 3D big 3D object. Okay, there is an object in 3D. Okay, so If you stand here, then you can see only this part of this instrument. If you stand here, then you can see only this part. If you can see here, then you can see only this part. Likewise. Okay. Now the resection method. It is used to locate the instrument station on ground from the details already plotted on a plan. Read again. It is used to locate the instrument station on ground from the details already plotted on plan. Here, in these three methods, we we plotted all the details about the to complete the traverse. We know the instrument station here already. First we fix the instrument station and then we complete the traverse. Okay. But in resection method, there are details already plotted on plan. Okay. And we have to find out the instrument station with the help of these plotted details. This is the main difference between first three method and the resection method. Okay. Keep it in your mind. Now, the methods of resection. Resection methods are resection by trough compass, resection by backsighting, resection by 2-point problem, and resection by 3-point problem. From this, it is important to understand the method of radiation, intersection, traversing, and resection. Here is the importance uh, of this method, the diagram of it, and the procedure of it. Same thing is repeated like this. If you don't understand or there is a confusion between anything, you can read all these things again and understand what it is. Okay. Thank you so much.